Okay, let's try YouTube today. See how that goes. So let's start hacking. What I need what I need further is the not only the so let's see how is that. Yeah, it's a bit here it's very delayed in the stream. That's interesting. Oh yeah, I also need to change the subject, I think. Save. Okay. So yeah, I think that should be okay. Yeah, the delay is a bit heavy, but yeah, let's see how that goes. And I also cannot make that preview smaller there. And I can also not disable that popped out chat space there. Okay, we will see. Let's just try. So here I thought, now this one is the time range the scene runs in, and now what we need is a as say preload time range. Maybe of 2 seconds or so, so that we can initialize the scene. Okay, the connection is still excellent. That's awesome. Is in preload time range. So, where is this actually set, and do I still need that? Yeah, I think I will kill this variable there. So I think we get the current time range. And we just yeah, I think we set the first. The first needs to be. Yeah, we can make it like so. First, stat max of first and 2000. And then we yeah, right, so then we subtract the 2000 again, and then we get the start. And that is just tr second plus 2000. Preload. So preload time is 2000. And then I think we can just do it like that. So is in preload range is enough to test. So if the current time is within start and end, the preload should be done. Yeah, I wonder if that is working. And if the music is not blocked or so. But it also says nothing to that. It's not complaining about. see, I think that's an on update. Oh, it's already done. Yeah, I think I will do the initialization here. Is in preload range. So if that one is in preload range, is all in range, and then we can ask this one here. So if is in range and we are in raw, then we have to load it. We have to do the on init. Like this one here. And then we set that to transit in transit, because that's a task that runs asynchronously. So while the application is running, this one is then initialized. And yeah, I hope it's not causing a stutter there. So we need the current time. So if it's not, and on the other hand, else if it's not in range and this one is ready, or if it's not raw, no, if it's ready, let's make it like so. Must be ready or in it, I guess. So if this is ready, or I think I make this in here so we can just is ready, or is in it. So if it's not in range, and if we are then in this situation, let's do it like this. Then we call on release on that one. And then we say raw here, and then we are in its initial state, in its uninitialized state. Yeah, we could, based on that state, we can just reflect. Can we reflect? Yeah, an on. So an on tool. Let's see, camera window. Where was it? Global settings. Now let's make a like a scene info. So access current scene data. No, this is what I wanted to do anyway. So so we need some sort of list there. We make an entry for every scene. No, 4000 and what's that? Is that 2 to the power? Yeah, no, that's it. Let's keep it this way. The name of the scene, and then what did I want to do? That's, oh, sorry, okay, just checked. Something happened there in the stream window. Is the string? Yeah, let's leave it right there for now. Now I need the state. Yeah, how can we do that in the same line? And now we could make a where was that button, I think. Wasn't the no, it was in scene 0. Yeah, it was the colored button. I think I will use that here again. So we have, I think, 3 states. Color is so that's the color, but if the dot, yeah, that's the debug state is the scene state and raw. in transit. In transit. So I think I make that yellow. So if that is in transit, then I make so if it's an init, maybe we can make that okay, now this is something that yeah, 255, let's make it like so. I think there is a color, so I think it's this one, help and yeah, I think it's this one. Yeah, it's the int version. 255 16501. So that's nice. So we have here the orange. Top one is the yellow version, and then we have when it's ready is then it's green. I think that's it. Scene state, but we have multiple of those, so we have to compose. A second buffer, I think. So we make it like scene state, and then we just print the same name there, and then I think that's okay then. Stat memset buffer 0 size of buffer